kuthe this year kangisewazi ukuthi iphi inyanga waqalisa ukuthi sebesitshengisa imizi esichawa ngomgwaqo.
Okay.
So lapha kithi kulo wodwa phambi kwamashopu nxa sidla.
Yes.
Bese kusiba lalo ngola oyisimu nje.
Alright.
Bese kusiba lalo olapho sizibuya la.
So umgwaqo sohamba emva kwe. Okay. So lapha bekhuluma ngomgwaqo.
Kahle kahle ekuhambeni sizahamba kahle ngoba besivele sihamba nzima ngomgwaqo omdala ongasagradwayo ngenziwali nzipho. Usupomba umgwaqo la nxa ufile isiphongo imota zethu zife singakayifika emabhizinisini thina singabalimi. Siphila ngokulima.
Esibonele ilimile lapha
balimi. Siphila ngomgwaqo na sisiye market. Now lumgwaqo sipromise ukuthi aluba kuzahamba kahle ebhizinisini yethu ikanti njambili sizafakelwa futhi imarket isizazo sesizathatha imisebenzi yethu esiyenze emakhaya ithengiswe lula la ithwalwa isedorobheni plus lezi mota ziyabe sezihamba lula sesilethana.
Okay, ubaba mbani bethu?
Mika Mo. Yes. Sibambana lani kakhulu.
Okay.
Njalo siyafuna ukuzwisisa lani izinto elisincedisa ngazo. Yebo libhizi libuya lapha lingabe chronically lizothatha amazwi ethu lizokwenza konke lokhu la lokho yana but libuye lokuncedisa.
Ukuncedisa konje
bakhona abanye abantu abangathi bangafika ebantwini abasebenzayo so bazediliza ukusebenza kwabantu bone sesingamavili abazaphila labantu ngenxa yomgwaqo. Kungasimgwaqo ngabe kasoze salibona ngoba namhla sikuboniswe
ekumendodi eyayivele ukusebenza kudala lo usuza kungomutsha.
Okay.
Obulalayo nalimizi sibuya.
Okay.
Usuya ule plantation yamagamtree isibulewe lapho zaqhuma khona.
Okay.
Kule farm isiqunyiwe pha lapho ezafika ukuzahamba khona umgwaqo.
Okay.
Kuze kuyethutshela primary hayi Bulawayo kodwa umgwaqo usubhoda ngemuva primary onalo omutsha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Primary secondary that's why sebehambela kuleli side elingapi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
In fact, we are very excited to be informed that the government is putting a third road between Bulawayo and Gwanda, and the road is passing through our school. It's a positive development in that the road that we have been using is very bad. And because of the rains, it is usually damaged severely such that getting into town is a mammoth task. And even our repairs of our vehicles is quite expensive. But with this new road coming through here, that means it will be quicker to get here. Access to the resources that we need for our porting environment here will be quite welcome and easy.
And I've observed that you have even diverted.
It's a better one. The one that we have diverted to is now a better one. And we have bought diesel just to assist the Ministry of DDF to create the road.
Okay.
We assisted them by providing the fuel. It is a better one.
Yes. And then maybe you're highlighting that.
Yes, by using our own resources here, the resources that are meant for maybe purchase of textbooks or for buying food here, but sending it to another department, we really need the road. Because it is very difficult to get to Bulawayo, honestly, using this road. So we need to assist because Tina, we are benefiting from that. Yes. Through the school, but on the other side, it won't be passing between the hostels and the main school, but they've diverted the road to pass on the other side of the girls' hostel. Yes.